Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this foam cone and little glass candle holder from Dollar Tree. I started by taking a square dowel and just inserting it in the bottom of the cone for holding it, plus I'll be using it later. I covered it with one coat of Moss chalk paint by Waverly. Once that was completely dry, I took this Garland that is also from Dollar Tree, trimmed up the end of it so I can stick it inside the foam cone a little easier, poked a hole, and then took it back out and put some hot glue on it to help it stick better, and then wrapped it around till it was completely covered, hot gluing it a few times along the way. After I had it completely wrapped around, I just kind of went around and fluffed it up and then trimmed up the pine needles at an angle with the cone just to get it all one length all the way around. And then I took this berry garland, also from Dollar Tree, trimmed it up so there was no berry on the very end, put some hot glue on and poked it through towards the bottom, and loosely wrapped it around the tree. Next, I took these pine cones and just hot glued them all around the tree until it was filled in how I liked it. Now, these ones came from Hobby Lobby because it was just a large pack, but Dollar Tree does sell some as well. And then once I had it completely covered, I took some white acrylic paint and a toothbrush with very minimal paint on the toothbrush and kind of just brushed on the paint just to give it the nice flocked tree look. I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more of a pop of color, so I just ripped off some of the berries from the garland and hot glued them throughout the tree. Next, I take Barcelona beige chalk paint by Folkart and I paint it with one coat with my paintbrush. And this candle holder again is from Dollar Tree. After I had that one coat on, I completely dried it and then used a sponge to apply the second coat. And I like to do this because it prevents you from seeing all those paintbrush marks and helps prevent it from peeling. Once that was completely dry, I just cut a small piece of floral foam and tucked it in the candle holder. And then I cut down the dowel I had used in the beginning. I get these from Amazon. Pushed it through the foam and then took it out and added hot glue. Pushed it into the bottom of the cone, added hot glue to the floral foam and pushed the tree down. I then removed the whole piece, adding hot glue inside the candle holder and around the rim, and just held that there till it was dry. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.